Come test drive the 2018 Honda Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity, all that and more in the Accord. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, security system, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, front bucket seats, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.